let's talk makeup when I actually wear makeup. Every day I put eyeliner on. That's because I wear glasses. So a little bit of eyeliner to make it stand out. Every so often I put some mascara on. And then every so often I actually wear makeup, or my definition of makeup. So anyway, I try to follow all of the instructions that Julie gave me. So about, oh man, it's probably been 2 years now. We actually met in real life, went to her house. We had a great afternoon. We've never repeated that, which is probably shame on me. I need to follow up on that one. But I'm going to give her a shout out because she did my makeup. I'm going to link it here for you because she takes you through the whole routine that she did. Made me look absolutely gorgeous. So I tried to mimic what she did. I tried to pick up a few of the products that she recommended. But anyway, this is my quick routine summed up for you. So I don't use a foundation anymore. I used to a little bit, but now I use one of two. I've got my Trinny, which is pretty much a tinted serum, or I use, you can't even tell what it is now, my Color Science. It's almost gone. Do I need to get some more? But it's literally, they're both kind of just tinted serums. I put that on, use my little magic brush here. I actually got this thanks to Julie recommending a similar brush. So I put that on all over my face. Then I use a little bit of camouflage concealer. This one is Catrice. I love it. I was sent some cosmetics years ago, actually during COVID, to do a blog post, and I loved everything that they sent me. Anyway, I do use a little bit of concealer just on my nose and my eyes. I'm not actually going through this routine, but I put it about here. And then I blend it in with my trusty brush. When I'm getting really crazy, I did get one of those, oh, what do you call them? I know. Look at this. A little dark to put here, trying to create some shadow. There are technical terms. It has its own built-in brush, which is awesome. And it actually gives me a little bit of contouring in my face. Don't use a lot, just a little bit. And then I picked up the from Sephora in the shade of matte. It's Sicily. It's the matte bronzer. Kind of put it over. It works for me because if you follow along and you know me, you know that I use soft toner on my face a lot. So even if I use nothing else, this always blends in. So it's fun. A little bit on the cheeks if I'm really going crazy. Loving this shade. This one came in the spring Jilly box. Cheekbones. Courage Cheek and Lip Cream in Juneberry. That's what that one is. So it's quite fun. And yes, I am taking my glasses off every time I'm trying to read a label too, because these glasses are good for everything except for reading. Eyes have it. Catrice sent this palette to me years ago. Probably still shouldn't be using it. Needs to be updated. Basic Bay, love this. Catrice, you can see that. Anyway, I use this. Just a little bit. I put some on today. I do try to remember for my lashes to help them grow. Most times I forget, but I do try to do that. As I said earlier in my other video, quick morning one, I do use my NYX Frappe eyeliner stick. I love the Got To Be for my brows. And if I do go with mascara, I am using my City Beauty Beyond Mascara. And I do try to remember to use the eyelash curler that I bought, as recommended by Julie. She's a professional, and I'm definitely not. Anyway, that is my lip-wise. And for lips, most times I use my Jouviance Lip Plump, mostly in the raspberry. And I also use this shade. Gives me enough. Don't need more than that. There you have it. That's my makeup routine. Quick and easy. Sort of quick and easy. Anyway, I am Linda from A Labor of Life. It's Linda from A Labor of Life. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Double tap. Subscribe. Give me any love you want to give. I'll take it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next.